In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash internal server error. If you're seeing an internal server error when you try to open or use GCash, don't worry. This walkthrough will guide you through a simple sequence that often resolves the issue. First, start with the Play Store. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for the GCash app. If you see an update button on the GCash page, tap it and let the update fully install. App updates frequently include important fixes that address crashes, server communication problems, and login issues. Give the update a moment to complete, then launch GCash again and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, move on to the next approach. Next, you'll reset the app's stored data from your phone's settings. Find the GCash app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the icon until a small menu appears, then tap the info option, the one that looks like a little eye in a circle. This opens the app info page. From here, choose Storage. On the storage screen, tap Clear Data. Confirm when prompted. Clearing data removes temporary files and stored app information that might be corrupted and causing the server error. This action will not delete your GCash account, but it will sign you out of the app and reset your in-app settings, so be prepared to log in again afterward. Once the data is cleared, return to your home screen and open GCash. Follow the on-screen prompts to log back in. Because you've reset the app's stored data, it may ask for verification just like the first time you used it. Take your time and enter your details carefully. After logging in, try performing the same action that triggered the internal server error and check if the problem has been resolved. If you still encounter the internal server error after updating the app and clearing its data, the issue may be on the service side or require account-specific assistance. At this point, contact GCash customer support. When you reach out, clearly describe that you're getting an internal server error, mention that you updated the app and cleared data, and note when the issue occurs. Providing these details helps support diagnose the problem more quickly. That's it. Start with updating GCash from the Play Store, then clear the app's data through the app info if needed, log back in and contact customer support if the error persists. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back up and running smoothly.